For over 25 years, when customers in the greater Pittsburgh area have looked for an honest and reliable hardwood floor restoration company, they have turned to Hardwood Restoration Services. Using only the most up-to-date equipment with a highly trained staff, when you put your trust in Hardwood Restoration Services, you can be assured you are working with the best in the industry. No challenge is too big for hardwood restoration. We have made even the oldest floors look brand new. For floor refinishing, we use state-of-the-art equipment to sand your floors using a vacuum attachment, allowing us to offer dust-free refinishing. With 4 offices, we serve the Pittsburgh and tri-state areas. Hardwood Restoration Services works with everyone from first-time renovators and homeowners who may need our expert guidance to seasoned architects and real estate companies who know the requirements and just need to know they are working with a company they can trust to get the job done professionally, on time, and on budget. Let us end by showing you just a few of the thousands of projects we have proudly completed over the last 25 years.